So what is 221G, also called administrative processing or admin processing? When you have an interview in a US consulate, so in a US embassy located in a foreign country, if you're going for that type of immigration interview, it can either be because you want a K-1 fiance visa or because you are getting a spouse visa or, other types of visas as well. But from our clients, who get visas through their relationship, those would be the types of visas where they would be at a consular interview. 221G is basically not a rejection of your case. It doesn't mean your case was rejected, but it does mean that they're holding the case for one of many reasons. Basically, they weren't able to give you the visa at the time of the interview. For the vast majority of cases that we represent, because it's something that we're professionals and attorneys and we know what we're doing. And for the most part, the government, changes the rules, but we can stay on top of it. We can submit everything exactly how they want it. And so it's rare to get a 221G unless it's something very serious, like the government suspects you are a gang member or you are affiliated with a terrorist organization or things like that. So a lot of the 221Gs we see are very serious situations. But we do find that a lot of people who are doing their own cases, or sometimes if they're using one of the document processor, like type in your name online and they auto generate stuff for you, there can just be a lot of boxes that don't get checked and just really minor bureaucratic things that don't get done, unfortunately. And that can also cause a 221G if you don't have everything in order at the time of the interview. So there are definitely, you'll hear horror stories online about about some 221G situations that are very serious and can take years in some cases to resolve. But there are also some more minor paperwork type ones that maybe could take 2 or 3 months in some cases to resolve, where they ask you for something additional that was missing. And the most important thing in that situation would be to respond to what they're asking you for. So basically, administrative processing is just a catch-all term for something's not right with the case. They couldn't give you the visa right on the spot. They could be researching your relationship and think that you're not eligible and trying to revoke your petition. They could think you're a terrorist, or maybe you just forgot to send them one piece of paper or check a box. So hopefully that's the situation. The letter should give you some indication of what the situation is. And certainly if you're in a situation, I know when you get a letter like this, you were hoping you would get the visa. It can be very stressful, and we're happy to help if you're in that situation. I'm sorry to hear that. Sometimes if it just requires adding more information in, that's really all you can do, and then you just have to wait. There's a lot of waiting in admin processing, so that's no fun. But that's what it is.